What's up, cooks? On the show today, we're going to make Chipotle Chicken Lettuce Wraps. We're going to be using the Ciwete cookware to do that. This dish is crispy and crunchy and fresh tasting, and it will satisfy your soul. Today, we're going to be using the saute pan from this 10-piece set of cookware, and we're going to make us a delicious dinner. So join me. Let's make Chipotle Chicken Lettuce Wraps. So we looked at this Ciwete, it's C-I-W-E-T-E cookware. This is a 10-piece set. What I really like about it is a combination of nonstick and stainless. I love using stainless steel, but I also have times that I want to use a nonstick pan as well to cook eggs, to cook some that's particularly sticky, all that stuff. So this is a 10-piece set. We will be using the saute in this dish, but if you want to take a look at this cookware, I'll leave a link down in the description to it. It's fabulous. So let me get the ingredients and let's make our lettuce wraps. So the very first thing, we're going to make our Chipotle Mayo. I use this in place of like mayo, so I make a whole mason jar at a time. So I just fill a mason jar full of mayonnaise. This is so easy. Sometimes you go to a restaurant and they make this big deal about, oh, we have Chipotle mayonnaise. It's nothing to make it. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. You don't have to make this much, just make however much you want. But the extra, we can use for other dishes. So I just go ahead and make it all at once. I have a can of Chipotle and adobo, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. What you're gonna see in this can is a bunch of chilies, Chipotle, and there's a sauce in here. We're gonna go ahead and give us a mix of that in here. This one's not terribly juicy as they usually are. You can put in as many or as little as you want. Oh gosh, this is smells so good. I kind of like it really Chipotle flavored, so I tend to put quite a bit in here. We're gonna go ahead and stir this up. I'm going to put a little bit more because that's how I am. There's no measurement on this. The measurement is however you want it. That's your measure. So just like that, you have Chipotle mayonnaise. So let me go. I have to prep a few ingredients so we can make our filling, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our beautiful Ciwete saute pan here. I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off because we're going to be sauteing. We have some beautiful olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put that in our pan. So we're cooking up basically the filling for our lettuce wraps. And we have some onion. Woo! These are definitely induction ready. So they will also work on your gas or just your regular smooth top cooktop, your foil, whatever it is you have. So we got some onion in here. We're going to go ahead and saute this until it starts getting translucent. It looks really good. And it smells really good. It smells fantastic, actually. You know when you're sauteing onion that that's the start of a really good dish. Now we're talking, right? So I took 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I cut them into small cubes. You don't want them into huge like strips or anything like that because it's not going to fit right in the lettuce cubes. So we're going to go ahead and put the chicken in here. Looking good. A tiny bit more olive oil. It's looking good. It's looking real good. I'm going to do an initial salting. An initial fresh black pepper. Just to get a start of some seasoning action going in here while this cooks. So we're going to cook this chicken till it's about 90% done. Then we're going to put a little chicken broth in here, some more seasonings, and then we'll cook it down. And we're actually going to add a little bit of corn to it as well. So as soon as this chicken is basically cooked, we'll be back. So I have some frozen corn here, and this is a 10-ounce bag. I'm going to put probably half of it. I'm going to put about a half a cup of chicken broth. This is just to give us a little liquid. I got a new spoon because my chicken is halfway cooked now. So we're going to season this up. I do want to put a little bit more salt in here, I think. I'm going to put some ground chipotle. This is all the seasons are always to taste. And this chipotle brings a lot of flavor, so you don't need a lot. I'm going to put some granulated garlic to taste. It's always to taste, right? We're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir around. This smells really good. Looks really good. Oof. Yeah. I'm going to put a little bit more pepper in here. That looks delicious. So I'm just going to let this simmer until the chicken is cooked all the way, the corn is heated up, and a lot of that liquid is gone. So we'll be back. So our chicken is looking really good. You want to season it to taste. I tasted it and it was delicious. The level of heat and spice will be your own. So put as much black pepper, chipotle, however you like it. If you like it ripping hot, go for it. I'm going to put a squeeze of lime in here. This is going to give us that little tang. Oh, it's going to be so good. And so let me get this ready so we can assemble our lettuce wraps. Okay, so we're going to be using butter lettuce. And it just has little leaves like this, and they're beautiful for little cups. They're in place of tortillas to make it low carb. So we have our Chipotle Mayo, which I'm going to put a little down the center of the leaf. A little or a lot. We're going to get some of our beautiful Chipotle chicken and corn here. That looks delicious. Put that here. Beautiful. We're going to put a couple chunks of some avocado. I'm going to put in a little bit of salsa to round it out. You can top this however you would like.
Cheese.
If you want cheese, go for it. So here's your little wrap. And you can eat it just like a taco. So I'm going to move this here. And we're going to continue wrapping. Going to get a little Chipotle mayonnaise through the middle. Whoop. Little bit of chicken too. Yeah. Chicken. A little bit of avocado. And if you would like, a little bit of salsa. So let me go finish plating these up. So it's time to eat our Chipotle Chicken Lettuce Wraps. And you could just take it just like a taco. Just like that. You could eat it with a fork. Really good. Really good. Because I'm allergic to cheese, it brings that creaminess in there. You don't even need cheese. You can put cheese on there if you want to. But that Chipotle mayonnaise just, it gives it that creaminess. Nice Chipotle flavor. The avocado's on there, great. Lots of flavors in there. It's really good. I even missed the tortilla. You want to come try, Bill?
Maybe.
Really good.
Hi, Miss Amy.
Hi. Nice and fresh tasting.
Bombs up.
What do you think?
Well, flavor.
A lot of flavor. You don't really even miss the tortillas that much.
Not really. The whole Chipotle mayonnaise has its own flavor. Like you said, creamy. It's really good. There is heat, but it's subtle. So it's really nice. I don't know. I think I'm going to steal another one. Because I'm American, that's what I do.
He's going to eat this whole plate. So cooks, try this out. It's a great, like, low-carb version of a taco. Except it tastes really fresh. There's a lot of flavors in it. It's great. The sweet pan did awesome. So that is out of the 10-piece cookware set. It was the saute pan, and it did great. Thank you, Sweet, for sending those. I'll put links down in the description to that cookware, as well as I'll put a link to when we unboxed it and we did our initial testing. But it did a great job. If you like this video, please subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that bell and join the Amy Learns to Cook family so you'll get notified when we upload. Also, you can catch this recipe out on my website, amylearnstocook.com, and you can come into my Facebook group. We talk about cooking, cookware, appliances, all that all day long. That's facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Now, I gotta go finish off these lettuce wraps. Ooh, looks like Eric's gonna finish them off for me.